Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we don't have any Funko Pops to show you. I mean we do, but we don't, because this video is not a Funko Pop. This video is all my collection of Ninja Turtle. Me and my son. I gotta include him in the collection. We got more figures, but they're in the basement in buckets, so I got so many buckets in the basement with Funko Pops and figures, so it was hard for me to go through everything. But let me show you a little bit of the stuff that we have so far. We got Superfly right here. A big, it's a huge figure right here.
Yep, I remember getting that one for my birthday.
Yep. So I'm gonna show you this one. Let's put it right here. Maybe here. All right. And then we have these two little ones right here from the.
In the next movie, they're doing Shredder.
And then we have the snapping, right? That's how you call it.
Yeah,
Snap.
mix and match.
Mix and match. And then we got this one.
Yep.
The black and white. Then we got another black and white.
I got that one at the store today.
Yep, he got just this one today. And then I got this one today. I still gotta get the
other Ninja Turtle.
The other Ninja Turtle from this set. But you know everything's expensive, guys. So then let me show you another Superfly. Small little figure. This is Bebop, right?
Yep.
Check that out, guys. And then we got the band right here with all the turtles. I don't know if you can see. This is the pizza band. So check that out, guys.
Oh no, Raphael's falling down.
And
then April was an exclusive to this. There was this like other
I dropped somebody there. Check that out, guys. On top of here, we have the pizza.
Yep, if you hit it like that, it
Yep.
shoots out the little.
So, plus we have yep, Raphael. But we have there's another band from the Ninja Turtles, guys. But I haven't get it yet. Sooner or later, I'm gonna get it just to add it to the collection. And then behind me, right here, we got this one's different collection.
They're the costume ones, right? Yeah,
Yep.
the party act ones, I think.
Check that out, guys. And I got a whole bunch of Funko Pop Ninja Turtles here too. Check that out, guys. It's a huge collection. Plus, I got more in the basement.
Baby turtle.
Baby turtle right here. That goes to this set right here. Plus, I got this one's here.
A little kombucha.
Check that out, guys. All right. So you already saw this band right here, guys. So I'm gonna try to put this away somewhere around here. I need this. Let me sure I don't drop anything. You want to put this over there on top of the? Get up and pass it. No, go over there. I'll pass it to you. Guys, stay tuned, guys. Guys, don't forget to like. Yeah, put it on top of there again. Yep, I fix it after. Don't worry. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, help us grow this channel. Thumbs up, guys. Like I said,
You need to put some
yeah, you can put it on top of that too. Let me put this one so you put them away after. Like I can show you all the new stuff that I just got. Let me put this away. This one, and this one. Yeah, put this on top of that too. Like that, we have more clean space here. Because we got a lot of stuff to show. Thank you. Yeah, I fixed it after, don't worry. Yeah, put them in the floor. If you want to put it, yeah. I fixed it after, don't worry. Thank you. Alright guys, let's crack what we got. All the new stuff that I just got, guys.
What do we want to start with first?
Let's start with this. This is a brand new one, guys. Check that out.
This is the original turbo collection. And then these ones, I think they're gonna fit in there.
So, let me show you open this stuff over here. What's my lid over here?
Or yeah, I can. And that's the main part, I'm guessing.
See it. I save all my boxes, guys, because I collect these ones. So the day I pass away, my son can either keep them or sell it.
I'm probably just gonna keep them.
Wow, that's cool. And then I can show you what we got on this box right here after. They're going to tie it.
I'm gonna leave the tire for you. That's gonna take way too long.
So if you want to leave the sticker for later on, just
Yeah,
build
we'll
it.
do this.
I'm gonna put the stickers on top of here. Because now that's gonna take forever. So hey guys, let me know if you collect any figures. I collect Ninja Turtle. If you see back here, I collect the Financial Freddy figures too. I got over, I would say like 40 in between the big ones and little ones. Plus, I got 2 more in the basement that I cannot fit in there. Maybe, no, I think I got 7 more in the basement.
I'll look if I can like move like this.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause the video like that until my son build this. And I will show you when it's all built.
Okay guys, we finished it and it looks pretty good, and we got the other figures out. This one, Leonardo. We got the Super Shredder out. He fits pretty good in here. Look at that. This is pretty cool, and then we got Metalhead and look.
Watch your foot. Thank you.
Boom. Yeah, basically you can shoot out back there. Pretty good articulation.
That took a little bit, guys, just to build it. Put it together, I'm sorry.
It's actually really cool.
Yeah.
When you move it like this.
Let's put it here, because I think there's more rich in here. Guys, check this out.
Little thing moves.
See how it moves right here?
Yep. And on the little tires, it has the.
The other. Yep.
Yeah, but they have these little foot imprints on it, and it has a couple like guns and stuff.
Yeah.
And then there's this on the back. And then you can move that around, and then they have these two rockets right here. And then you can open up, and then you can put the shredder inside there, and then it rolls like that.
Guys, you know I had to wear my Ninja Turtle shirt for this video.
And then it has these three big propellers on the back with wires. Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. And then these
Awesome.
little like foot pieces. And then you can just
Okay, let's put this one down now.
oh, look, and it has NYC on the back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, because they use a little
Yeah.
plate. It's really cool.
Alright, guys, let's crack this one here. See what we got in this one.
Oh, yeah, and there's this figure. NECA one.
Yeah. Check this out.
Look at that.
Check that out, guys. Look at how cute that look.
25 over 25.
Yep. So this one is gonna take a while to put it together. So I'm gonna have to pause the video again, guys. And let's put this together. We come back, guys.
This one. Okay, guys, we're back, and we got this big monstrosity. This took like an hour to build, and it's like really hard. So we have this little basketball hoop, and the telephone, it connects to right here, and you can put like slime in it.
All right, let me zoom everything better there.
Yeah, so
All right, guys, we back.
we're back.
Mm.
These took like an hour to build, but it's okay.
Check this out, guys. Look at that. Look at the graphic in the back. Then you got the train track right there.
And then there's
It's alright. Look at that, guys. And this is the rest of my the Ninja Turtle where it goes. That's cool. I feel like that telephone pulls on the weight.
And then it has this ball where if you like put
Oh, because you guys are nice.
oh, yeah, it's
All right. Okay. Say goodbye.
okay. Bye guys.
Bye, guys. Bye.